Hi guys, we're back with another one of these. That's right, we're gonna do a card pack opening. Alright, let's get into it. So first things first, saving this one for last. We'll go with this one first. Alright, hype. Let's open this. If we don't need a sharp object. Ooh! Lucky, we don't need a sharp object. Let's go. Alright. Starting off with a Voltorb. Nice. A Galammeow. Very nice. Swinub. Good. Chatot, nice. Ooh, I like this guy. I like Ponyta. Ponyta and Zebra are the good ones. And I guess I like the new Black Tauros as well. That's good Pokemans. Oh, nice! Nice. Cleaver, nice. Shiny Cleaver. Nice. Oh, nice. What the? Damn, it's nice. Didn't expect to get luck like this on this pack. This was the lucky pack. Well, actually, it was the pack the guy at the Best Buy said, it's like, gonna be lucky one. It's a good one. I don't know, he's weird. And then he asked me, oh, you buy these for money? And it's like, I just collect them. It's like, oh, it's just weird. But yeah, that's nice. Nice. I dig it. Fire Energy. Carlia. Nice. Oh. Grant. Nice. Oh, and Togetic. Very nice. And the code card. But we're saving that. Alright, on to the next pack. Hopefully it's okay. Hopefully we have good luck. But nice. Okay. Starting off strong. Okay. Sharp object. How about a new shoebox? Alright, let's get back into it. Anyway, these are Pokemon cards, yeah. Alright. Starting off, nice Scyther. Very good. I know where you are. Ah! Cute. Very cute. Look how cute that is. My girlfriend's gonna like that. That's nice. I love Bronzor. I love Bronzon. I like Bronzons, and I love these guys. I love these guys. They're the best. Rufflet. Nice. Quillfish. Shiny looking dude. Nice. Shiny Barboach. Barboach. Nice. Okay. And a normal Regidragon. Okay, I'll take it. And two. Bada Bada boomy. Yellow energy. Oh, magneton. Nice. Very good. Very nice. Ooh. Good job, nice. Another Tugatick look. Good card. Alright, nice. Well, that was all fun, guys. So, a little run back of the best card, I think, would have to be this one. Again, a V shiny on the first pack. So, yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna have fun tonight. Yeah, thank you all. And have a great day.